Lobsters. This is Skip from the Seacoast Lobster Review. Something we're doing new this summer, sponsored by Bournival Jeep. So this is it. This is a traditional New England lobster roll. It's actually 4 ounces, has a little bit of lettuce, the basic New England buttered roll, fries, and a pickle. And I'm gonna give it a rating. Rules are we're gonna rank it from 1 to 10, and I'm probably gonna eat the whole thing. So let's see how this thing tastes. It's pretty good, just the right amount of mayonnaise. I'm going to take another piece of lobster. It's a nice big claw piece right there. It's actually pretty impressive. I'm going to try a fry too, even though it's not part of the lobster roll review, but it's pretty good. I think Fiji's Boathouse, we're going to give you guys a pretty good score. I would say a 7.4. Scale of 1 to 10. That's it, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to do 20 plus other restaurants in the area for the Seacoast Lobster Review, so stay tuned.